The sound of the 70s. I'm back on familiar territory. I'm back in Kent, so I'm out doing a couple of videos, one for my travels channel, one for my photography channel. So, of course, why not drive? Going there. I'm going to go to Wickhambreaux. What a funny name, eh? It's got E's and A's and U's and X's in it. And it also sounds like Mr. Wickham from Pride and Prejudice. So we're going to start here in Bridge, and we'll go through the back lanes. It'll take us through Patrixbourne and Littlebourne. We might have a couple of other villages on the way. I released the handbrake but turned the engine off at the same time. That doesn't help the journey at all, does it? So yeah, back roads to Wickhambreaux. I wasn't sure how to pronounce it, whether it would be Wickhambreaux, but I had some requests for ChatGPT because I was doing some research on Wickhambreaux and Wickhambreaux, and it said it's like you're brewing a cup of tea. It's Wickhambreaux, so there you go. ChatGPT is good if you know how to use it properly. Pass up a selfie. Make me into a toy image. Right, no one at the crossing. Someone being dropped off. Cars indicating, will it pull away, even though we've got some other cars coming? Yeah, we'll stick behind the Renault. It's cloudy and overcast, would you believe it? We had such lovely sunny weather, especially when I was down in the southwest. That being said, it's supposed to warm up, so Patrixbourne Road leads to Patrixbourne, a very quaint village. Some nice little back roads here in Kent. Take the time to go for a jolly jaunt. Playground. We go under the A2. National speed limit. Pedestrian in the road. Watching out for oncoming traffic. There is something coming, but not while we pass the pedestrian. Cyclist and a car. So I've got to give my 2 metre passing room, haven't I? Nothing behind me, so I'm not indicating. Cyclist won't know if I'm overtaking and indicating, will he? Into a 30 zone as we come into the village. Welcome to the village. I am not a number, I'm a free man. I've got Blind Bend with a kind of mini humpback bridge here. Patrixbourne, how quaint. Another Blind Bend. I suppose had I been facing the other direction at Bridge, I could have gone up the hill and turned right, and it comes out on the road just here where the mini roundabout is. But I wanted to come through this way because I like a little detour every now and again. Judah House. Diversion in place. Perhaps had I chosen that road, I'd have been diverted. In the non-distractional sense. Are you not diverted? Says Mr. Bennett to Elizabeth.
Are you not diverted?
Cyclist. One car behind me. Into a 40 zone. This road leads to Littlebourne, and we'll go past, is it Howlett's, the zoo? Safari-ish type thing. It's funny doing a drive when it's not, you know, blazing sunshine, because I think the exposure on the DJI just remains constant, so it doesn't go dark, then light, then dark. I don't think there's a setting in it that lets you regulate that. Still a 40 zone. Got the little Nissan racing up behind me. Because people are either impatient or they realise, hey, that car in front is going at a good speed and there's nothing in front of it, so I'll just go right up behind it. One of two options. Don't know how long this drive will be, maybe 10 minutes, 15 max. Nice clear run. So yeah, sailing right through here. Little cottages on the right there. Wonder if that was part of a farm community once. You know, all the farm workers were provided homes by the farm, the manor, so that they could work the land. Hey, I'll tell you what's funny. On that last video that I did where I asked you to do the timestamp, lots of you that follow me not only do continue to do timestamps on each video that I release, which is great, I love it, but you also have a mind to do it on the other channels as well. It really lets me know when you've actually watched it, what date and what time you watched it. May it long continue. Right, into a 30 zone. We've got humps for a quarter of a mile, road narrows on the left, and it's a cycle route. Or is that no cycling? I think it's no cycling if it's in a circle. Of course it is. Littlebourne, twinned with Wickhambreaux. Makes me want to go to France for a drive. Once I secure my IT contract and I get some cash in the coffers, then I will be going and doing some, you know, trips abroad, I think. I had been put forward for a role, and the agency contacted me yesterday to say, sorry, I've been on annual leave, but I'll chase this up. So you never know, this time next week I might be working on my new IT contract. Anyway, enough of that. We're coming into Littlebourne. There's a nice village green on the right there. This is where you've got the blind T junction up ahead, and I want to go left and then immediately right. Or is it kind of like a crossroads? I think it's left and then right. Coming up to a stop junction. God, look at that blue Volkswagen. Let's just cross all over the place. Astra didn't actually stop. Car to my right is turning, so I shall go this way, and then we'll immediately go this way. Ickham and Wickhambreaux. Ickham's where they've got the lovely oast houses. I'll have to do a photography session there one time. It's usually very good in golden hour, morning or night, where the sun is setting or rising and you get the beautiful hues in the sky. Today it's 10:55 at the moment, and it's cloudy as anything. Look at that house. 15-mile route this way. I think it's a Pilgrim's Hospice cycling route. I think they've been doing a thing. Wow, look at all the wisteria on that cottage. Beautiful. But it smells nice too. Right, into a national speed limit, and I think this is the last stretch before we get into Wickhambreaux. got the Little Store River on the right there. Flows probably into the Great Store, which goes through Canterbury and then through to Ashford. Old Mill on the right there. Why would you not if you've got a flowing river, right? A lot of blank bends here. Yeah, I see the Church of Wickhambreaux ahead. We shall park up, if we can, in the village green. Pillbox on the left. Road ahead closed. Divergione. How far is it closed? Because I want to actually go in the village. I might be able to park up in the lay-by there, or in the little street on the right. They're digging the road up there. I'll go down here to stop the video, and then I'll do a diversion myself, because I can't see a place to park here. Yeah, we'll stop the video here. I don't like looking at you through sunnies if I can help it. You know, if I'm out walking, then it's a different thing. So yeah, that was Bridge to Wickhambreaux, back in my home county, or territory, I would rather say. Home county makes it sound like I'm Kent-ish, and I'm not. Yeah, keep being tuned in, keep dropping the comments. Comments are great. It makes the videos go viral, believe it or not. Every time someone leaves a comment, it's called interaction. It's different from just watching a video. And I do it, you know, I watch the people that I like to watch, and I'll leave them a comment, even if it's just to say, hey, I enjoyed this one, or something like that. Because it's engagement, and YouTube loves that. So do I. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.